The day has finally come. It's been 3 long weeks of these kittens living in our bathroom. Simon has been waiting outside of this door, begging to meet them. Kenny actually did escape for like 3 seconds yesterday. The moment is here. Simon and the kittens are finally meeting. Are you excited? What's gonna happen? Are you gonna be nice? Okay.
You're being so sweet, Simon. Same color.
Look how nice he is, Kenny. Oh, Simon. I'm trying to get a fur.
Simon, be gentle.
It's okay. He might need to hide from him.